What is CPR? CPR, or Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation. It's a life-saving first aid technique used when the heart stops or a person is not breathing. So when should it be applied? If someone suddenly collapses, isn't breathing, and has no pulse, CPR must begin immediately. How is it done? First, check the person's responsiveness. Then call for emergency help. Place both hands one on top of the other in the center of the chest and start chest compressions. The correct rhythm is 100 to 120 compressions per minute, about 2 per second. If you are trained, give to rescue breaths after every 30 compressions. But if you are not trained, perform hands-only CPR by continuing chest compressions without giving breaths. Remember, performing CPR can save a life within seconds. The right action, at the right time, can help restore vital heart and brain functions. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical training. Always call emergency services immediately in an emergency situation. Thank you for watching and taking the time to learn this life-saving skill.